All right, everybody, this is problem 2-8. Had many questions on it. It's asking us to resolve the force F2, which is 6 kilonewtons, into components along the U and V axis, and to determine the magnitudes of the components. So how I would start this problem is I would translate the two axes. So I'll draw a green line here for axis U, and I will translate that line to the head of vector F2. Then I would translate the axis U. First I draw it, then I would translate that axis like so. So now we have this drawn. We know that this angle here, if this is 75 degrees here, this angle here would have to be 180 minus 75 minus 30. So that's 75 and 30. So that gives us this angle is 75 degrees. Given us this is 30 degrees. This angle here then would be 75 degrees. So computing this angle here, and this is interior angles, alternate interior angles if you're asking 75 and 75. So this angle here is just called alpha. Alpha is just going to be 180 minus 75 minus 75, which is going to give us an angle of 75 degrees. So if I were to draw this kind of out here just to make it a little bigger maybe, here's the U axis, there's the V axis, this is 75 degrees, this is 75 degrees, and this is 30 degrees. And this is 6 kilonewtons. So again, this would be our V, and this would be our U. So it's simply, if I solve for my U, it would be the sine of 75 degrees over U, which is going to equal the sine of 75 degrees over 6 kilonewtons. So you can see right away that when I cross multiply, the sine 75 are going to cancel each other out. Let's just do that. 6 times the sine of 75 is equal to U times the sine of 75. So you can see if I divide by sine 75, they'll cancel. So U is equal to 6 kilonewtons. And then solving for V, that's just going to be the sine of 30 degrees over V is equal to the sine of 75 over 6. And again, doing the cross multiplication algebra, however you want to do that, I got V to 3.11 kilonewtons. Now note in the book you have different values, but whatever this value is in your book, you should get for the U axis. Hope this helped.